Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to change your Toyota Prius key battery. First, gather your essential tools: a new CR2032 coin cell battery and a small flathead screwdriver. Make sure you have a clean, well-lit area to work in. This simple task is surprisingly quick, usually taking less than 5 minutes from start to finish. Let's get started and restore full functionality to your key. Now let's open the key fob. Look for a small slot, usually on the side of the casing. Take your small flathead screwdriver and gently insert its tip into this slot. With a slight twist or prying motion, carefully separate the two halves of the key fob. Be gentle to avoid damaging the plastic casing or internal components. The goal is to expose the circuit board and the old battery. With the key fob open, you'll see the old battery. Before removing it, take a quick mental note of its orientation, specifically which side is facing up. This is usually the positive side. Gently pry out the old CR2032 battery. Now, take your new CR2032 battery and insert it into the compartment, ensuring the positive side, marked with a plus sign, is facing upwards, just like the old one was. Finally, it's time to reassemble your key fob. Carefully align the two halves of the casing and press them firmly together until you hear a click, indicating they are securely fastened. Once reassembled, test all the key fob's functions, like locking and unlocking your doors, to ensure everything is working correctly. You should now have a fully functional key. Also, for a fresh car, check the description for a link to Little Trees, Black Ice, and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.